What kind of paint do you use? I only use 100% sustainable acrylic paint. I never seen you on my FYP before. Who are you? If y'all ain't ever been on my TikTok live before, my name is Mary Albee. I'm the owner of Albee Damned, which is my own craft studio. Everything you see here was made by my own two hands, or the two hands of my beautiful son, Brentley. Say something! He's a little camera shy. Mary, I love your videos. Oh, thank you. My name is Mackenzie. I ordered on your website a dream jar. I would like the theme to be green. Can you package it online for me? Well, of course I can. All right, let me see. Let's see. So for a dream jar, I'm going to take my trusty mason jar here. And of course, I'm going to throw in some distilled water, as I usually do. Excellent. That looks like enough. All right. And then, of course, got to get into my craft bin. Mary's craft bin. All right. I'm going to put in a little bit of green food dye. Just like so, all right. And now let me take a look at my charms bin. Miss Mackenzie, you say you like the color green. Oh, my keys are in there. What else? All right. We got some blades of grass for you. One tennis ball. And one live frog. Now, oh, shut up. Now we're going to just seal up this jar. Shake it on up. Ain't it beautiful? Oh, Miss Mackenzie, I know you're going to be very happy with this custom dream jar. I'll get this shipped out to you within 15 to 20 business days. And I think that's where I'm going to end the live, folks. But if you'd like to join me again tomorrow, same time, 6 p.m. EST. And if you'd like to leave a donation, they are accepted via the Cash App in my bio.